Good morning, Cynthia. You are appearing for Punjab National Bank Credit Officer interview on which date?
Sir, 15th of July, sir.
Very good. You are a candidate from which state?
Sir, I am from Tamil Nadu, sir.
Okay, good. Miss Cynthia or Mrs. Cynthia?
Mrs. Cynthia, sir.
Acha, good. Where is your husband working?
Sir, he's running a business, sir. Family business. Motors and pumps business, sir.
In which place? Which district or which place?
In Dharmapuri, sir.
Good. Best wishes. Now, please introduce yourself.
Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I'm Cynthia from Dharmapuri, Tamil Nadu. I worked as an assistant manager in Axis Bank Limited as a customer service officer. While working, I received an award of Young Budding Talent Award for successfully completing my OCS targets. I have done my Master of Business Administration in Finance as major and Marketing as minor in Sona School of Management. My strengths are I'm good at communicating, active learner.
Yes. Have you attended any other interview through me? Because the profile seems to be familiar for me. Have you attended any other program through me?
Sir, last year, Punjab National Bank Credit Officer interview, sir.
Acha, what happened? Are you a general category candidate or OBC?
So, OBC, sir.
Acha. Then what is the how many marks did they give you in the interview?
Sir, 23, sir. I secured 23.
Very sad. You just missed by 2 marks.
Yes, sir.
How many marks you have scored over the cutoff in the written test?
I scored 40 plus, I think, sir.
What was the cutoff?
Sorry, sir, I couldn't recall, sir.
It is okay. Then what do you think could have been the reason for their score giving? What used to be my comments in your mock interviews? Whenever you attended first and second mock interview, what was my comment for you? You remember?
Sir, actually, I joined the interview course at the neck of last moment only, sir.
Oh,
So I
so
haven't given the mock interview.
oh,
I just used the materials to
oh,
study.
very good. That is okay. But then 23 marks is not a bad mark. But then um, you see, I don't know which questions you would not have answered well. Let me see. Miss Cynthia,
Yes, sir.
you said you were working in Axis Bank and you have achieved targets and all. Can you
Yes, sir.
elaborate on this? Which branch were you working? What was the assignment given to you? How did you reach the target? Please explain about that.
Yes, sir. Sir, I worked as an assistant manager in Axis Bank Limited as a customer service officer in Trichy Road branch, Coimbatore, sir. Where I
Okay,
have given the responsibility to handle both day-to-day banking operations as well as the sales target. Like I have to bring the business like a savings account, current account, mutual fund, insurance, and loans like personal loan, housing loan, etc. So in that, I have achieved nearly 115% of my target in making the
see
customers
in
to
res-
to
in
get
respect in
loans.
respect of savings account or current account or fixed deposit.
Sir, personal loans and housing loans, sir.
Very good, very good.
I
I'm
have
happy.
also achieved savings account and current account, sir. But mostly, I achieved my targets in savings account. As I have business branch banking operations, I could not able to visit the business people, so I couldn't able to log in more of current accounts, sir.
Good, very good. Excellent. Now
Thank you, sir.
you are going for credit officer.
Yes, sir.
What do you think will be the office credit officer role?
The
Excuse
role of
me.
credit officer, yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
The role of credit officer is to evaluating the loan applications, whereas the lender can able to assess the credit worthiness of the borrower, and conducting the credit assessment by analyzing the credit scores and past repayment behavior in order to understand the borrower's credit worthiness. Then risk assessment by weighting how much the loan can be provided to an applicant, and how the tenure and the interest rate which can be fixed for the customer, and ensuring the compliance with banking's lending policies, sir.
Good. You told nicely. Now
Thank you.
tell me, supposing you have a customer who is fulfilling all the terms and conditions like KYC, or say some say parameters you have kept for some retail loans. Which retail loan you were doing more?
Sir, I was doing personal loans, sir, mostly
Okay.
preferably pre-approved personal loans.
Okay, let us take a case of another candidate who is fulfilling all the credentials that you have prescribed. Will you look into any other aspects before deciding to give the loan?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Hello. Here is
Sir,
a
if
yeah. Tell answer me. Your voice was not heard.
so for the personal loan, I will be analyzing the basic personal details of the borrower, by getting the KYCs, and if the customer is a salaried person, I will be getting the 3 months of salary statements, and if it is a businessman or a proprietor, I will be getting 2 years of income
Hmm.
tax and the banking and the bank statements, sir.
No, no. This type of question is asked last year also, where I think the best answer will be, apart
Yes, sir.
from satisfying about the norms prescribed, say salary, then CIBIL score, etc., etc. I will also make personal inquiries with people known to him or people who know him from our customers, and try to ascertain about his credit worthiness issue. I will ascertain about his personal integrity and all that. And once that is satisfied, immediately I will recommend for sanctioning of the loan. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
good. Mrs. Cynthia,
Yes,
your
sir.
husband has availed any bank loans?
Sir, yes, sir. He has availed the overdraft facility, sir.
Overdraft against property or
Against
against
property, sir.
again property? Acha, acha.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between overdraft and cash credit?
So overdraft is a short-term credit facility available to a borrower, so that the borrower can withdraw the excess amount than the actual balance in the account, whereas cash credit is a short-term credit facility available to a customer. So the customer can withdraw the amount which are within the sanction limit. Especially, the sanction limit can be decided by the bank as per the collateral, stocks and inventory. Whereas the overdraft facility can be availed even for a general purpose and also for the business purposes. And the
Yeah,
interest rate for the overdraft facility is higher when compared to the cash credit, whereas in cash credit, the interest rate is less as per the availability of stocks and inventory. The
See, you,
limit
you
for
you were telling the point in a very extended manner, but you
okay,
did
sir.
not give specifically the difference.
Okay,
Overdraft is against a property, whereas cash credit is against the stocks available in the shop. Every month, stock statement is to be submitted by the borrower. We are supposed to make an inspection of the stocks and then allow drawing limit. That is the point you have to stress. That
okay,
point you brought, but in
yes,
a
sir.
very extended way. You told in some place stocks, this and all that, but you did not specifically tell the difference between overdraft and cash credit. Understand?
Yes, yes, sir, I understood, sir.
Yeah. What is drawing power?
Drawing power,
Maybe you have not worked Axis Bank, you
yes,
would
sir.
not have done cash credit. See, the drawing
Yes,
power
sir.
means in the case of cash credit, the party has to submit a stock statement. And as per the sanction, from the stock available, margin is to be deducted. Supposing he has been given a limit of 6 lakhs and he is producing a stock statement worth 10 lakhs and margin is 25%, then the drawing power will be 6 lakhs because 10 lakhs minus 2.5, 7.5, but however sanction limit is 6 lakhs, so you will give him only 6 lakhs.
Lakhs.
But on some days he gives a stock statement of only 6 lakhs. Now what will be the drawing power? He is giving a stock
The
statement worth only 6 lakhs. His sanction limit is 6 lakhs. Margin is 25%. How much the bank will allow him to draw?
4.5%, sir.
4.5 lakh. Why are you
Lakh,
telling
yes,
person?
sir.
Why are you
Sorry, sir.
telling person? You got confused. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
4.5.
4.6.
Very good. So that is drawing power. And in the case of term loans, where what is the difference between term loan and overdraft?
So term loan, it is a long-term credit facility which can be availed for large amount and can be paid on the regular fixed intervals, sir. Whereas the overdraft is a short-term credit facility. It is
To be renewed
availed against
periodically.
the property and cannot, sir.
Can be, it has to be renewed periodically. That is okay. But
Yes,
you did not bring the important point. In the case of term loan, amount is disbursed in one lump sum
yes, sir.
and the repayment is made. Once the repayment is made, that money cannot be withdrawn back by the customer. Whereas in the case of overdraft, he is given a limit and he can draw up to his requirement. And if he repays uh, back, again he can take back up to the limit that has been sanctioned to him. Do you
Yes,
get
sir.
this point?
Yes, sir. I get. I
Can
got,
you
sir.
explain? Can you explain now? What is the difference between term loan and what is that? Overdraft.
Overdraft. So
Tell
term
me.
loan can
Yeah.
term um, term loan is a credit facility which can be disbursed in a one single time, whereas the overdraft is a credit facility which can be dispersed in a regular periodic interval. And
No, you are not understood. Term
sir, I
loan.
understood, sir, but I couldn't make the
Term
sentence. Sir.
term loan is a facility wherein the amount is disbursed in one lump sum and repayment is received every month. And once money repaid, it cannot be withdrawn again by the party. Whereas
Yes, sir.
An overdraft is a facility, a limit is granted. It is up to the party to withdraw amount of his choice. And in case he repays the money, he can again redraw the money up to the limit sanctioned. That is the difference between overdraft and term loan. As a bank officer, you must be able to tell that very clearly. You are
Yes,
not
sir.
ordinary person. Good. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You know it. Very good. Mrs. Cynthia, when did you resign?
Sir, I resigned in um, uh, May 2019, sir.
And you studied MBA after that?
No, sir, I did my MBA in 2017, sir. 2015
Okay,
to 17 batch.
very good. After that, where did you work after 2019?
Sir, I placed in Axis Bank, sir, through campus placement, and I
No,
worked
no.
there for
uh,
2 years.
After that,
Sir, after that, I was not allowed to work anywhere, sir, by
oh,
my husband.
family. Oh,
Yes, sir.
now
So,
how is he permitting? Do you have
sir,
kids?
he is not.
Do you do you have kids now?
Yes, sir, I have a kid, but
How many?
he
He
one
is
kid,
not
sir.
with one kid. He is not with you now, or you are with him only?
I am not with my husband, sir. We are
Ah,
separated.
that is the question. So
Yes,
you
sir.
should bring this in the interview. You should all have you got regular separation, divorce?
So it's been 1.5 years since we are separated, and I have not initiated anything, sir, because if I initiate, he will definitely make me. He will not give the divorce, sir. So I am waiting for mutual consent.
Oh. See,
He himself.
actually,
Actually, from
if
their
you if
side, they started their conversation with the common relative of both the sides, and
okay,
they are also willing to give mutual consent, sir.
yeah. Now, if you have a proper divorce, that is advantage for you because you can apply for more number of years than the maximum age for bank jobs.
Oh,
You are aware of that?
okay. Yes, sir, I am aware of that, sir. But most
Well,
of the notification, it does not have that
they don't mention about it, correct?
relaxation. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But I think nearly 7 years or so, I'm not sure. That much is allowed to be relaxed. In the
Okay,
case
sir.
of proper divorce, you must have a court divorce order.
Yes, sir.
Is the
Last
boy
year also, sir.
is the boy being made with you or with him,
No, sir.
son?
My son is with me, sir.
How old is he?
He is 3 years old, sir.
Only 3 years. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Now,
sir.
yeah, this is one option. Now, coming to the credit officer. Now, because this question will definitely arise because you are a person who has worked in 2019 and now
Yes,
you are a
sir. Most of
so
the last year, most of the questions were towards the my husband's business. Well, at the starting, in the interview, I haven't told the interviewer that I'm separated from him. So most of the questions were imposed regarding his business.
so now this time when
Why?
you even this time you did a mistake. You did not tell properly in the introduction. That is why I had to ask about overdraft, cash credit, this and all that.
Yes,
And
sir. Yes, sir.
I also asked whether he has availed. You said yes. At that stage also you did not tell. It is wrong. You could have
Okay,
told
sir.
me initial stage itself so that the questions will be different. They
Okay.
they need not sympathize with you, but their expectation may be different.
Sir, I thought by telling these things, um,
You are you are
the
not you are not you,
the
no
interviewer may think that they are expecting that
no no
I am
you are not
sympathy like
seeking
that. So
you are
it,
not you are not
as
seeking sympathy. You are introducing yourself.
Okay, sir. That is why I'm not telling I'm separated from him like that, sir.
If I am in your place, I will say I am so and so. I
Mm.
studied this thing in the year so and so. I got placed in Axis Bank. I worked for so and so. In the year
Mm.
so and so, I got married. My husband was having a shop in this place so and so, and I have a son aged about 3 years, and we got separated in the year so and so on account of certain personal reasons. And now I am keen on getting a job, and that you are now explaining clearly why I mean, you resigned in 19 after marriage, correct?
No, sir. Before marriage, they wanted me to resign from the job, and the groom's family had told me that I will be taking part in their business. But after marriage, they had not allowed me and into the business. After as I knew that they are not going to allow me into the business, I started preparing for my bank exams. So that they are not allowed even me to prepare for the bank exams also, sir.
I understand. I understand. So
Okay.
now, if you tell like that, then the questions will be okay. Now, how will you be able to manage with your child? This is the next question that will come. Now, you are having a 1 year, 3-year-old child. Are you living with your parents or separately?
Sir, I am living with my parents, sir.
What is
Actually,
your
they are
father?
supporting me. My
What
father,
is
he
your?
is sub-inspector of police, sir.
Oh, great. I'm sorry. Mother,
So, mother, she is a homemaker, sir.
she is homemaker. You said he. She is a homemaker.
She,
Okay.
is, sir.
Yeah. Mrs. Cynthia,
Yes, sir.
now how will you take this job? Because this job involves you are being posted anywhere in India.
Sir, as I am a single mother, I have all the. I don't want to rely on someone. So wherever I have been posted, I could able to manage, sir, because
So you can tell, uh,
yes, sir.
in case of necessity, my mother may accompany me to my place of work. And if she is not able to come, I'll put my son in some crush and school so that I can manage the and have some servant maid also to take care, so that that will not be a problem for me.
Okay, sir.
Or the other option is I will leave the son temporarily with my parents and I may stay in working women's hostel and work. That is how you
Okay,
have to explain. Very good.
okay.
Now we start your discussion mostly will go around family
Yes, sir.
problems, etc. Next, there will be simple questions on, say, a commerce, that is credit. Now, tell me, what is a balance sheet?
The balance sheet is a statement prepared with your view to measure the financial position of a business on a certain fixed date.
Good. What are the components of a balance sheet, not bank balance sheet, of a customer balance sheet?
So the components of the balance sheet are asset and liability. In the asset, s-
Hmm.
sir, am I
What
correct,
are
sir?
Yeah, correct. What are the different parts of assets? What
The
are the
different types of assets are,
different types of assets? Yeah,
sir, current assets and non-current assets, and then the
liability
sharehold net in a liability, it is the current liability and non-current liabilities.
and capital and reserves. You should tell like that. Normally,
Okay.
in a balance sheet, asset side figure you put, then add long-term liability and short-term liability, subtract from asset. That will be the capital and also the reserves, if any.
Okay, sir.
Why capital is shown as a liability in balance sheet?
Capital. because owner is different from the company. So according to the business, any fund that comes into the business, it is a liability. So it is so the capital is kept in the liability side.
You told, but this is not correct explanation. You should tell
Mhm.
business is a separate entity. Shareholders are separate entity. The business owes the money to the shareholders. Even if it is a proprietor, the business is separate and it owes money to the proprietor. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
This is a famous concept under commerce. First
Okay.
thing, are you an engineering person, engineering candidate?
Yes, sir. I'm
That
an
is why
engineering
you,
manager.
that's why you don't know. Otherwise, if you have studied regularly commerce, this point would have been discussed very well there. Now, please tell me the three golden rules of bookkeeping.
Um, for personal accounts, debit the receiver, credit the giver. In case of real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. And in nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income, all income and gains.
Super. Good. Who is the finance minister of our country?
Mrs. Nirmala Sitaraman, sir.
Up to what extent is income tax not taxed nowadays?
Sir, up to 5 lakhs.
Who said?
Um, I'm so sorry, sir. I couldn't recall the tax law.
12, 12 lakhs. Now,
Okay.
in the recent budget, it has been raised to 12 lakhs. You should go through the budget. I have given you budget highlights also.
Okay, sir.
Now, please tell me, last question, please tell me definition of micro industry.
Micro industry is defined as it is defined if the investment, if the initial investment is less than or equal to 2.5 crores, and the turnover should be less than or equal to 10 crores, sir.
No, no, you can say less than.
Yes,
I'm
sir,
not
less
sure.
than, sir.
Yeah.
Less
And
than or equal to
yeah.
10 crores,
And so one mistake you did.
sir.
You said initial investment. No, no. You should tell investment in plant and machinery.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, it is correct only. You said very good. Best wishes.
Okay, sir.
This is your first mock interview, and
Thank you, sir.
overall, I am satisfied with your performance. But however, you had problem in putting words together.
Yes, sir.
Formation of sentences, you are having problem. That's because you are a housewife all these days. You have not had opportunity to talk to others in English about this. Doesn't matter, you can still do very well. I suggest you go through the questions that I have given, prepare the answers for them. If you do not know the answer, put it in chat GPT, it will give you some answers, or read it well in English, practice talking in English. Not that you don't know English, you know very well, but you must
Yes.
be able to um, talk cogently. I wish you best of luck. We will meet again. Second interview, I have given you slot.
Yes, sir. It is on 11th July, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. You did well. I will give you easily 70 marks, and selection will depend on written test marks. But it depends. See,
Okay.
actually, when if you had introduced yourself properly and you are also going as a confident person, you are going to wear sari or chudidar kurta.
Sir, kurta, sir.
Okay, no problem. So
Okay,
put
sir.
that, and light makeup you can have so that you are able to impress the listeners. That's all. Otherwise, they will select you mostly. Don't worry. Pray to God, practice very well, read a lot, watch as many videos as possible. Best wishes. God bless you.
Sir, thank you so much for your words, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
By 1 minute, manage recording. What happened? Yeah, stop recording. Thank you.